Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. You all are welcome. So guys, today is a Saturday. It's actually 6 p.m. and we are going out. I'm taking the girls out. So
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
say hi guys. We are going out. Tuntua. Tuntua is. On y va. On y va. So guys, we are heading out. Yes, I'm taking the girls out for McDonald's and I have something to go buy. So yeah. On y va. On y va. Regarde-moi.
The way you are dancing, be like say they don't give you breaks pass. I'm a piano knocker down, they give breaks pass. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go.
Ces femmes nous savent que ça chaud depuis autant de mois car association mal faite madame et puis loucha.
Nobody never know. Nobody never know. Baby.
Bad girl, y'a pas besoin connaître bagaille. Moi envie mettre wana kai. Police man jack a fait mon chien chai.
Baby.
Girl, your body give me love encore. Say you know they feel other man. Everybody say them all we done. But you alone that make me mad, you know. Give me rotation.
Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you and me. Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you and me. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Life is hard sometimes, but we can survive. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. We can work and make it if we try. Just as long as you will satisfy. So give me good loving, girl, tonight. Give me good loving, girl, tonight. Give me good loving, girl, tonight. Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you and me. Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you and me. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. We can work and make it if we try. Just as long as you will satisfy. So give me good loving, girl, baby, don't cry.
Well, I actually entered this store very, very late because of my daughter. She was quite sick. So I just had to pick what I came for and out. I did not have the time to vlog for you guys. Plus, I brought her McDonald's thinking that she would enjoy herself, but then she started crying to go back home. She sat down well, but after a while she started crying. So I just had to end this vlog and go home.
Good mama, mama.
The next morning.
So guys, welcome back again. This is what I went for that I couldn't show you guys. This is what I actually went for. As you can see, I think I bought this at 30 euro for it. I haven't opened it as yet. It's just because that my daughter, she actually broke this one. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see properly. She broke this one, and if I shift this thing, like this thing will just fall off, because my first daughter, she had actually broken it once and her dad repaired it right here. So my second daughter went and she broke this other one. Like, she pulled this thing and it actually broke, so I had to replace it. So this is the one that I bought. Yeah guys, yep. So somebody actually gave me this watermelon, but I know that it will spoil because my kids would eat it for 2 days and after it will be there watching me. So I will just go ahead and share it with some friends. Yep. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my video guys. Bye.